one. Hold your pencil in your hand now. Choose the correct option. Exercise number 2. One by one, I will unmute you and you will give me the answer for that. Okay? Rhythm. Unmute yourself. Question number 1. I am dash Prideva said the Matsya.
Vishnu.
Done. The number 1 answer is B, Vishnu. Daksh, now please pay attention in your book. No need to discuss anything right now. Question number 2. Tejas, unmute yourself. Tie one of your rope to my dash and Manu he called.
Yes, ma'am. Repeat question.
Question number 2 of B exercise. Tie one of your ropes to my dash. Manu he called. किस पे रोप टाई अप करने के लिए कही थी उसने? Kids, unmute yourself and give me the answer. Yes, Angel. Rhythm. On. Answer is C. Third question. Shanvi Parekh. Unmute yourself. Shanvi, unmute yourself. Are unmute yourself, Shanvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 3. Matsya was now a huge fish with a single horn and dash scales.
Golden.
Golden, yes. And number 4. Now you must take me to the dash, said the Matsya. I shall be free from the danger there.
Ocean.
Ocean, yes, right. Kanav, next question. Unmute yourself. From that day on, Manu begins building a dash.
Ship.
Yes. Now, 6th class. True, false. Lord Vishnu was creator of the world.
Excuse me, ma'am. मैम एक बार 4th और 5th का बताना, मैम वो वॉइस नहीं आ रही थी.
Number 1 of the B exercise is B. Number 1 is B, Vishnu. Number 2 is on. Number 3 is golden. Number 4 is ocean. And number 5 is ship.
Thank you, ma'am.
Vidusha, mute yourself now. Lord Vishnu was the creator of the world. Just write in the chat box. False. Who was the creator of the world? Manu. With the help of Manu, he have created the world, na man. Matsya की help के through Lord Vishnu. Lord Vishnu has helped the Manu to create the world. Okay? Matsya was itself a god Vishnu in the form of fish. True, right. Manu saved Matsya from the river when Matsya was a small fish. True. Manu thanked Matsya and watched him swim away. true. At the last, they came to the mountain of not called Himalaya. Not called Himalaya. False, right? In which Himalaya they have went? Himawat. At the next question of question number C6, Lord Vishnu can stride across the whole universe in just 4 steps. False. In 3 steps. Okay. Now the rest of the exercise you will do by yourself. First, you will try to do it. Then I will give you the PDF of the book. Okay. But first, try to do it. Question number B. Join the sentence. I have a watch. It gives the correct time. I have a watch which gives the correct time. Okay, now the question answer of chapter number 6. What did the little fish beg Manu to do and why? The little fish begged the Manu to save him from the river because big fish stay in it and eat the little fish. I'm writing on the board. Okay? Or should I dictate it? You will write in your copy now. Okay? Question number 1. What did, and please unmute 1 or 2 students. Just a 1 minute, beta. Networking. Should I dictate? I'm sharing you the screen, okay, of the question answers. Question number 1. Palak and sorry, Diana, unmute yourself, beta. Diana, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
The board is visible to you. Clear है board?
No, ma'am.
It's not clear.
No, ma'am.
Now it's clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Board दिख रहा है आपको?
Yes, ma'am.
What you have seen? I'm writing the answer number 1. The little fish bag. The little fish. It's clear? Diana?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Bag the Manu. The little fish begged the Manu to save, write in your copy, to save him from the river because big fish stay in it, stay in it and eat little fish. visibility. Vidushi and Parth. Jitesh. Sahil. Sahil, unmute yourself first of all. Jitesh. Jitesh, unmute yourself.
मैम स्क्रीन विजिबल नहीं हो रही आपकी.
क्या?
स्क्रीन विजिबल नहीं हो रही आपकी.
स्क्रीन विजिबल आपको बोर्ड दिख रहा है सामने?
मैम मतलब धुंधला धुंधला दिख रहा है, कुछ साफ साफ नहीं दिख रहा.
आपकी प्रॉब्लम है, आपकी प्रॉब्लम ये है, आपकी डायरेक्शन आ रहा है. देखो, चेंज योर डायरेक्शन. ओके,
मैम दिख रहा है. मैम दिख रहा है अब.
Question number 1, I am repeating again. The little fish begged the Manu to save him from the river because big fish stay in it and eat a little fish. What did the little fish beg Manu to do and why? क्या beg किया था? She has requested to save him from the big fish, or you may write in your own words also. Now the question number 2. That was not ordinary fish, said the Manu himself. Why? Who will give the question number 2? Just raise your hand. It was not the ordinary fish. Yes, Tanmay, unmute yourself. Tanmay,
Yes, ma'am.
unmute. Okay. Give me the answer. Question number 2.
Ma'am, Manu said that this is no ordinary fish, as Manu as that fish was grown very huge and was telling him that a flood is coming one year.
Okay, and okay, the Manu was warned of the floody by the fish that time. Yes, उसने क्या किया था? मनु को warn किया था ना starting when she was going, and the Manu was warned of the floody by the fish that time. Moses said it was predicted that the world would come to end by a huge flood in coming year, and requested the Manu to build a huge ship and say to him, when you have to tell a complete scenario of that time जब उसको ocean में जो पता है that उसको छोड़ के जा रही थी, पूरा scenario बताना है आपको. Okay? You can write in your own words and please mute yourself. Manu was question number 2. Manu was Manu was warned of the flood by warned of the flood by the fish that time, by the fish that time, Matsya it said it said it that the world would come. Yeah, you may write. मतलब सिर्फ predicted. You said it that the world would come would come to an by comes to an by a huge by the huge by the huge by the huge flood incoming by the huge flood is coming here and requested to requested the Manu to build a huge ship and pray to him when water starts to rise go on the board the ship go on board the board and the ship and pray to him when water starts to sorry array board the ship I think it इतना ही विजिबल हो रहा है ना ये सोनी जैसे ना कृतिका पलक just a one Palak unmute yourself
Yes, ma'am.
Palak
Yes, ma'am.
बोर्ड आई थिंक इतना ही विजिबल हो रहा है
Yes, ma'am.
okay. I'm dictating the line again please pay attention and should I share the screen
Yes, ma'am.
एक मिनट मैं प्रीव्यू करती हूँ उसको just a 1 minute बेटा देखते हैं वायरस आ चुके हैं इसमें। Okay. Question number 1 we have done. What did the little fish beg Manu to do and why? The little fish begged the Manu to save him from the river because the big fish stay in it and eat the little fish. Now the question number 2. There was a no ordinary fish, said the Manu to himself. Why? Manu was warned of the flood by the fish that time. Matsya said it. Matsya said, or you can write it here, predicted. Said भी लिख सकते हो या predicted. It's up to you which word. That the world would came to end by the huge flood in coming year, and requested the Manu to build a huge ship and pray to him. When the water start to rise, go on the board and ship. He will come and save him. After the Manu said it, that was not an ordinary fish. Okay, now question number 3. Describe in the brief how the Manu was saved. Manu को पूरा describe करना है कि how Manu started to build the ship after 1 year flood came. You have to write the Manu did as the Matsya said or Matsya advised. You said did as the Matsya said or advised. When the flood rises, entered the ship and ocean began to swell all around the Manu on his ship. Himself by tying his boat to the horn of the fish head, the Matsya took Manu to the Himavat and kept him there till the flood was over. Anyone having a problem in first 3 questions? Yes, Amsika. You may write in your own words. आप अपने खुद के words में भी लिख सकते हो. Don't worry. ऐसा नहीं है जो मैं लिखवा रही हूँ वो ही लिखो. It's a story. You can write in your own words.
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ.
मैम मेरे को फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन दिखा दो. मैंने इसका पिक्चर क्लिक नहीं करी.
Ma'am, please show again the question number 2 and 3.
Okay, Antika. Okay. Suman, just take a screenshot. You have entered in the class right now. The first question, what did the little fish beg the Manu to do and why? The little fish begged the Manu to save him from the river because big fish stay in it and eat the little fish. Or you may write like this also. What did the little fish beg Manu to do? The little fish begged Manu to save his life from the big fish. It's up to you what you have to write in your own words. आप अपने खुद के words में लिख सकते हो answers. Now the second number question, that was not ordinary fish, said the Manu to himself. Manu को ऐसा क्यों लगा कि वो ordinary fish नहीं थी? देखो, Manu was warned of the flood by the fish that time. जब मत्स्य उस समय जब गई थी तब उसको warn करके गई थी ना. The Manu was warned of the flood by the fish that time. Matsya said, or predicted it. That the world would come to end by a huge flood in coming year. उसको क्या warning दी थी कि in coming year it will be a huge flood and world या earth या world will came to end. In requested the Manu, क्या request किया था? To build a huge ship. When he have उसने अपनी ship बना ली, that time he will pray to him. When the water starts to rise, जैसे जैसे water above rise होगा, ऊपर चढ़ेगा, you all board on the ship, and that time you will pray me, I will be there to save you. He will come and save him. After that, Manu said it. That was not an ordinary fish. Done. Now the question number 3. Describe in a brief how the Manu was saved. You have to summarize the last part of your lesson in your own words. When the flood rises, enter the ship. वो सब क्या हुआ? Flood आया. Then all they have Manu has built the ship after 1 year. Did as the Manu Matsya, जैसे इसने मत्स्य ने उसको बोला था, उसने वैसा ही किया. Manu did as the Matsya said. When the flood rises, entered the ship and ocean begins to swell all around. All around Manu on his ship. Manu saved himself by tying his boat to the horn on the fish head. And the last, what happened? Matsya took Manu to the Himawat and kept him there. कब तक रखा? जब तक फ्लड का जो पानी था वो नीचे, फ्लड वॉज ओवर, टिल द फ्लड वॉज ओवर. आपको सिर्फ इतना ही बताना है किस तरीके से मनु सेव हुआ था. उसके बाद की स्टोरी नहीं बतानी कि व्हाट द लॉर्ड व्हेन ही कम टोल्ड हिज रियलिटी की वो लॉर्ड विष्णु है, नहीं गिव इट. नंबर 4th क्वेश्चन. What were the Matsya last word before he disappeared in the ocean? Did his word comes true? क्या last words थे? A great flood is coming. Matsya last word before the ocean was a great flood is coming. Yes, Matsya words came true. Anyone having a problem? You may write. Manju, unmute yourself. Where is Manju? Manju, raise your hand first of all. Dishi? Unmute yourself, Dishi.
मैम
Hmm?
हमने ये चैप्टर 6
ड्रेन का मतलब होता है ड्रेन करना आपका. ड्रेन.
मैम चैप्टर
हाँ.
6 के 6 क्वेश्चन की आंसर का स्क्रीनशॉट नहीं लिया.
बेटा मैंने अभी कितने क्वेश्चन करवाए? आई थिंक आपको टोटल आपको क्वेश्चन करवाए ओनली 4 क्वेश्चन. 5 and 6 is left. Okay, please wait. 5th and 6th question अभी डिस्कस नहीं किया है. फर्स्ट आई एम आस्किंग यू ऑन फर्स्ट 4 क्वेश्चन. डिड यू हैविंग अ प्रॉब्लम? आंसर्स पे प्रॉब्लम है किसी को? जस्ट शो मी योर थम्स अप. It's clear up to 4th question. Drishti, Diksha. Okay. Question number 5. Why was Manu saved by the Matsya? क्यों सेव किया था मनु को? Manu saved by Matsya because Matsya was avatar of Lord Vishnu. The Lord made an appearance and made a special request to the Manu to start creating a new plants, animal and people. Okay. Why was Manu saved by Matsya? क्यों सेव किया था? Because Matsya was avatar of the Lord Vishnu, and the Lord made an appearance and made a special request to the Manu to start creating a plant, animal and people. देखो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में था Manu was surprised. क्या बोला था कि it was not ordinary fish. क्यों? Because उसने predict किया था कि flood आने वाली है और आप इससे you have to build a huge ship and I will help you that time. ठीक है. जब फ्लड आई देन उस समय सिचुएशन क्या थी कि मनु को पता था कि मनु ने हैव बोर्ड ऑन द शिप एंड ही हैव प्रेड दैट टाइम एंड मत्स्य केम इन अ गोल्डन हॉर्न के थ्रू उसने अपना रोप टाई किया था एंड उसने सेव किया था. कहाँ पे ले आके उसने जब तक उसको फ्लड ओवर नहीं हो गई थी उसको कहाँ ले गई थी? वो हिमावत पे माउंटेन पे. उसके लास्ट वर्ड्स क्या थे ओशन में डिस्पेयर होने वाले कि a great flood is coming and it's come true because he have predicted about the flood. Why was Manu saved by the Matsya? उसने मत्स्य को आपको पता था स्टार्टिंग में मत्स्य was the avatar of the Lord Vishnu और तो पूरे वर्ल्ड को बचाना चाह रहा था. want to create a new world. तो उसने किसकी हेल्प ली? मत्स्य ने मनु की. तो मत्स्य was the avatar of Lord Vishnu. The Lord made an appearance and made a special request to the Manu to start creating a new plant, animal and people. Now the sixth last question. Is there a connection between Vishnu title preserver and the role he plays in the story? इस आंसर को भी you have to write in your own words. Is there a connection between Vishnu, the preserver, and the role he plays in the story? This is a story of Vishnu. As you know, the name Vishnu means to be everywhere. The name of Vishnu means to be everywhere. The most important thing to remember about Vishnu is that whenever he sees evil taking over from the good, जब भी कोई बुराई, he comes to the earth to save it as a preserver. On the shape of the earthly creature, आपको पता था लॉर्ड विष्णु ने कितने अवतार लिए थे टोटल? Earthly creature as the fish Matsya, and Manu saved by Matsya to created the world. Done? Just take a screenshot. Done? Ansika, any problem? Daksh, any problem? Angel, 1 minute बेटा. कैमरा ऑफ मत किया करो. कितनी बार पूछ चुके पर नहीं समझ में आती है मुझे लोगों को बात. Angel, unmute yourself now.
यस मैम. मैम वो जो थर्ड चैप्टर थर्ड क्वेश्चन नहीं हुआ था ना जब थी प्रॉब्लम.
क्या सॉरी?
मैम उस टाइम थर्ड क्वेश्चन में ना क्लास डिस्कनेक्ट हो गई थी तो मैम जब स्क्रीनशॉट नहीं ले पाए थे ना, तो मैम आपने उसके बाद वापस दिखा दिया था, तो मैम मैंने ले लिया।
You want a screenshot of now?
यस मैम, I
Okay.
taken.
Ma'am, question Yashika. Again, I'm sharing the screen. Just take a screenshot. जिसके भी जो भी questions रह गए. Question number 1, 2, 3. Now the 4, 5, and 6. Done? Done? Just show me a thumbs up if yes.
Yes.
Everyone. Vidushi, Jatin, Ankit, Dashi, Dishti, Dhruv, Arnav, Mishti, Amandeep, what's the problem? Unmute yourself first of all. Amandeep, unmute yourself.
मैम मैंने 6
क्या हुआ बेटा? Yashika, did you have taken a screenshot of question number 6? Amandeep, unmute yourself.
मैम अनम्यूट ही हूँ।
हाँ बोलो क्या प्रॉब्लम बेटा?
मैम 6 जो क्वेश्चन है ना मैम, मैंने उसका आंसर का स्क्रीनशॉट नहीं लिया।
Okay.
Ma'am, can I dictate the answer?
1 minute. Okay, Amandeep? Amandeep? Okay. Now, do your work in your copy. And one more thing. Please submit your postal paper as soon as possible.
Ma'am, you will receive my postal test.
Okay. Second important thing. Parth, you want to say something? Parth? Now just take a break for the 10 minutes. And it's your next class of which subject? GK. Okay. Tashi ma'am will join you. Just take a break now for the 10 minutes.